Hi, let's look at words that sound alike with slight difference in spellings and quite different in meaning. All together and all together. The first one is ALL, separated from together, while the second one is ALTOGETHER, joint, one L. Whereas all together means group or could mean in the same place or could also mean at the same time. The other all together means totally or completely. Let's see some examples. All together now. My students are all together in the class. Means they are in one place as a group. They went all together to the zoo. They went at the same time. Now, with this other all together, this is a different thing altogether. It means this is a different thing completely. Another example of this is this. How much do you have altogether? How much do you have in total? I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and remember to hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you, and God bless you.